Hello everyone, welcome to Sir Rob's Math Lab. Now today we're going to look at this geometric proof question. So here we have A, B, and C are points in a circle center O. Angle BAC is equal to angle OBC, which is equal to the angle X. Now the question is asking us to prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degrees. So let's have a look at this diagram right here. Now the question is asking us about angle BOC, so we must highlight where that angle is going to form. Now BOC, the angle is going to form right here. So here, the angle is formed at the center. Now if we look carefully, we see that we have the angle at the circumference, and they're asking us for the angle at the center. Now from circle theorem, we did a theorem that states that angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So if the angle at the circumference is x, the angle at the center is going to be 2 times x. All right, so that's going to be 2x. So that is the angle formed at the center. Now, if we look carefully, we would see that BO and CO, they're both radii. All right, so we can just make a mark just to say that these two sides, they are of the same length. Now, when we're talking about angles and isosceles triangles, we know that angle within an isosceles triangle, they are base angles, they are equal. All right, so base angles of an isosceles triangle, they are equal. So the base angle here is x, so this base angle here is also going to be equal to x. Okay, now if we're looking now at triangle BOC, we have all the angles. So we have x, 2x, and x. So we have all the angles within this triangle right here. Now, we know that the sum of all the angles in a triangle, it must be equal to 180. So it must add up to give you 180 degrees. So let's go. We're going to add these and equate it to 180 degrees. So we have x plus 2x, which is equal to 180 degrees. So x plus 2x, that's going to give us 4x. And 4x is equal to 180 degrees. Now here, we can go ahead and solve for x. If we solve for x, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. So if we divide both sides of the equation by 4, the 4 cancels the 4. So x is equal to 180 divided by 4, which gives us 45. So x is equal to 45. Now angle BOC, so angle BOC is equal to 2x, because angle BOC is the angle formed at the center. So therefore, angle BOC is equal to 2. We know the value of x, which is 45. So angle BOC is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, we have proven this question. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.